Hey guys, it's Laptop Laura, and this is Copy That Pops. Writing tips and psychology hacks applied to online biz success.
Here we go.
Hello there, my copy poppers. This is Laptop Laura, and I wanted to jump in with a quick copy tip. It's actually how you can make money with your copy, with your writing. And so this show is geared toward entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and other business owners who want to do better online with their businesses by harnessing the power of the written word and applying psychology while they're at it. Because my background, if you don't know, is I used to be a high school math and psychology teacher. I actually almost taught English, but then I thought, I don't want to be grading papers all the time. So I went with math because I'm just like a nerd for everything. But many people, despite this show being geared toward any entrepreneur who wants to do better with their writing, many people ask me how they can make money as a freelance writer, how to get started with that, or how to make some money on the side, maybe writing blog articles, for example, as they grow other elements of their businesses or grow a separate business. And actually, I have a great interview coming up with an expert, and that will be on episode 207 with Kimberlee Leonard, who is an author on the topic and has helped many, many people, including stay-at-home single moms, to make six figures full-time income with writing. But for today, for the quick copy tip, I'm recording this trying to be a little bit quiet as Baby Evren takes a power nap. He is not a fan of long naps. Side note, I was reading about how to get your baby to sleep longer, and all these sites are like, yeah, when the baby is like 5 months, which is, he's almost 5 months, then he'll be sleeping like an hour and a half to 2.5 hours per nap. And I'm like, are you on crack? This baby sleeps like 25 minutes, 29 minutes, 30 minutes. Like, it's crazy. So I don't have a lot of time, and I wanted to jump in and give you a quick tip to get you going if this piqued your interest. So I recently learned about a site that gives you, it's like an aggregated list of ways or places that you can get paid to write blog articles. And so these places will pay per article or per word in the article. And I haven't tried it yet myself, but it looked really promising, and I thought I would pass it along since so many people do ask me about how to make money with their writing. So step number one is go to the website moneypantry.com. So that's money, MONEY, pantry, PANTRY.com. And then step two is in the search bar, type in get paid to write. And then step three, you're going to see a list of results. So kind of scroll through. You'll see a couple blog articles that are going to show different ways or different lists for getting paid to write. But the one that really caught my eye was nice and long. And that one is called Get Paid to Write, 101 sites that pay you $50 to $3,000 per blog post. So click on that one. And then step number four is to scroll through the industries and content types that places are looking for and dive in deeper with the ones that would work for you. So a few of the topics that they've got listed out for different sites where you can make money to write blog articles for include vacation and travel, inspirational true stories, short stories, politics, news, entertainment, jokes. So you can get paid if you're funny and to write jokes, education, religion, parenting, lifestyle, business, and money, just to name a few. So step number five is once you find some sites, sources where it really matches up with the topics you can write about, write and earn money. And then as a pro tip, you could also hire someone for a lower price to write the article. So you could find someone on Upwork, for example, and then make money in splitting the difference. So for example, let's say that you pay somebody $100 to write an article, and then you charge, or you're able to get paid $350 for an article. You could keep $250, the difference, for project managing and reviewing the article. So not bad. That could be a little arbitrage that you could try. So ping me on social media. I'm at Laptop Laura in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, which is becoming increasingly more fun. I'm really playing around with that. And so if you try this, please ping me on social media and let me know that this episode was helpful. And also stay tuned for episode 207 with Kimberlee Leonard, because if you're interested in how to make money online as a writer, that one is going to be a great one for you. We're going to dive even more deeply. All right, Baby Evren has been sleeping for about 18 minutes as of now, so I am running out of time. I got to go and try to reply to some emails before he wakes up. All right, make sure that you are subscribed to this show on your podcast player so that you never miss a way to write copy that pops. Thanks so much for listening. Let's keep the conversation going. You can find more at copythatpops.com, and I'm at Laptop Laura on all the socials.
Sometimes we find